Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. You can see in the title today this video I will share my COVID experience, like how I recovered from COVID, how I and my family recovered from COVID positive. So without any further ado, let's get started the video. Before telling you like how I recovered from COVID positive, how my family recovered from COVID positive, first I would like to say that not only COVID, if you got different diseases also, you should be not panic at that time. Like, yeah, I got COVID, what to do now, what people thinks, how good I recovered, I'm seeing many death cases, what will be happen to me. Just don't be panic at that certain situation. Instead of that, you should be calm, chill. Okay, I got COVID, then what to do next? You should think like that. Just sleep well, eat immunity food well, and have fun, enjoy yourself. Don't see any news channel, don't hear any death news. Just be calm, chill, enjoy yourself, have good food, enjoy the company of your own. First, my father got severe throat infection and he rushed to the hospital and he did rapid test for nose and throat, whereas the result took 3 days to come. So since the infection is more on throat and since the fever is getting high, we thought we can't wait for 3 days. Let me rush to the hospital, let me do scanning for throat and let me see throat and lungs whether it is infected or not. When he did this scanning, in the scanning there was no infection at all. It came as negative. We were sort of happy, like, yeah, somehow he got negative. But on the same day, this rapid test result came. In that result, it was as positive. Here one side he got as positive and another side in scanning he got as negative. Like, we were like confused, what is this report, which is correct. But I would like to tell you that this rapid test for nostril or nose and throat is more accurate, so always go with that. We don't want to take excuses, like he isolated himself and we also isolated. Like, in my home we were staying three, me, my mom and my dad. When my father got positive, the same day I got full fever. I can't tell you that like how it was feeling to me. My full body got so much of pain and I can't even tilt my head like this. All nerves are being like attacking so much to me. It's so painful. Then I got cold fever at that night full. I can't even sleep. Then I was pakka damn sure that yeah, I got positive. But my mom doesn't have any symptoms of COVID. Then the next day morning itself we rushed to the hospital, but we didn't want to wait for 3 days to get a report. There we did a corona antigen test where we'll get a report within 10 minutes. First my mom did that. Like, she was not having any symptoms, like she was not having any body ache, something like that. But very first when she tested, within 10 minutes the result got and the result was positive. She doesn't have any symptoms, but even though she got as positive. But next me, I was damn sure, yeah, I'll get as positive, like that. When I tested, I was sure that I will get positive, yeah, and yeah, I got positive. This whole things happened on 3rd May. My husband was with me on 1st May, whereas he was not with me on 2nd and 3rd May. But he's the one who took us to hospital, me to hospital, my mom to hospital, my dad to hospital. Even though he was not with us on 2nd and 3rd May, we want to know what is the test report he will get, because he's the one who took us to the hospital. Hopefully we were crossed fingers, like, because he was to travel on 15th May. He has to travel on 15th May to Cape Town because he has some commitments of work over there. And even though I has to travel on 3rd or 2nd May, but my visa got stuck on Delhi office, and Delhi, you know, right now it is in lockdown, so my visa stuck there itself. Whereas my husband want to travel on 15th May, we were like, no God, please let him get negative, like that. Hopefully thanks to God, he got as negative, whereas we three members, me, my mom, my dad, got it positive. My dad before itself he isolated, then I rushed to the hospital. Mom doesn't having anything, but I'm the one who was having fever, headache, body pain, like that. That day, even though I'm taking the medicine, the next day, like, I can't swallow water, food, anything, because my throat got fully infected. I can't even say how it was feeling. Like, I can't swallow anything. It was so painful. Like, it was literally so headache, like throat infection. I was like fully dead, like that I was. Even though my saturation is good, like my saturation was 99 to 98, but I was physically weak. Like, I don't have proper protein, I don't have proper iron, I have anemia, I have deficiency of iron, and I don't have proper blood also, and all this stuff. And even I will get a cough or cold very soon. It was like that. My throat infection was continued for 2 to 3 days, that's it. And later on it's been decreased. My mom from starting, she doesn't have any symptoms even though she got positive, whereas my father was getting quite okay. But on one day, like, his cough got more, and like, we did scanning again, but we can see that in scanning report the infection has been spreading over the lungs. We rushed to the hospital, we admitted him, and it was taken nearly 5 to 6 days to discharge. And you know, like, injection matters here, because you will not get injection, you'll be searching for the injection. It's like that, like when doctor says he needs 3 injection and it should be injected today itself, and that freaking time where you'll not get injection even though you're searching a lot, and all the injections were being sold in black, and we don't have any other option. We need to buy and we need to inject him. My father was diabetic patient, and he was also having his blood pressure more, and after 5 to 6 days of hospitalized, he was finally discharged. He was okay at this time, and we are all recovered. This what happened. This was a upper glance of my story of COVID. And guys, let me tell you what are the things we all did, my family did, to get recover from COVID positive. Very first thing, in your home, just keep these items. First thing is this pulse meter, pulse oximeter, where you can check your pulse rate and heartbeat per minute. Just keep this, because you will get to know what is your pulse rate per hour or per day. And next thing is, you need to keep this temperature. This is a thermometer, such that if you have any fever, it's more if you have fever more than like 105, like that, you can know from here and you can rush to the hospital. And another thing, if your family members have a diabetic, then always use this, that is blood glucose monitoring system. It will be like this. It will be like this, a kit like this. Here is a machine and here is a gun where you can insert a small drop of blood to this, and you can check it out what's the glucose level. So always keep this, because in this pandemic you can't rush to the hospital always to just blood check or to just check a temperature, like that. So please do keep this, buy this and keep this. Even though you are staying at home, always use mask when you are COVID positive. Always use this N95 mask. Don't use any other like homemade mask like that. Always use when you are outside, always use N95 mask. If you are inside, you can use this like homemade mask, but when you are outside, use N95 mask. And another thing, if you are outside, always use this shield mask also. Use this hand gloves even though you are in home or outside the home. If you are with COVID positive, then you always use this hand gloves. Coming to the medicines, like don't blindly believe in others, and like people who will send on WhatsApp like use this medicine to recover, don't blindly believe that. And now I'll tell you some of the things where all can do. First one is always do goggling twice a day or thrice a day with hot water with salt, or with hot water with the gel which will be given by doctor. I was doing that with hot water and a gel which was given by my doctor. And next thing is take a steam twice a day or a thrice a day, just by normal hot water, or you can also add 2 pepper balls, 1 garlic, and you can also add tulsi leaves also. You can boil that and you can take a steam, or you can just take with the normal water. Don't add amrutanjan or something different because it might affect your throat, so don't do that. Always have a good immunity food like egg, spinach, a proteinaceous spinach, like that. Drink milk by adding turmeric powder. Drink tonic. You can make this tonic in home itself. You can get many videos on YouTube how to make a immunity booster. Don't diet on this particular period of time. Have good veggie food, green leaves food, and do some walking on your home itself. Isolate yourself in one room and do walking here itself. Always drink hot water. If your throat is still infected, it's paining, then you can use Vicks chocolate, and you can also use 2 pepper balls with 1 ginger and 1 small bit of rock salt, and you can eat that. And once you are all set, yeah, if you feel yeah okay, like I'm fully recovered, then you can step outside to your home. You can walk on corridor like that. But until if you don't feel like no, I'm not okay, until that you should be quarantine, you should be isolate yourself in your room. So please don't go outside. Also, I forgotten to tell, buy a steamer. You will get this around 500 to 600 rupees. Steamer helps to remove all this virus. If you take that like hot steam, it helps to remove all the virus in the nose or mouth. So please buy this steamer. And we were used to take a green leaves food and veggie food, and we used to have daily egg twice a day. So since it has so protein, and since it's an immunity booster, so you can have egg daily. Finally, we all 3 tested with negative, and we are fully recovered. Now we are back to same Josh again. Yeah, this is how we recovered. Like it took us I was recovered within 4 to 5 days. My mom doesn't have any symptoms, but my dad, he took nearly for 10 to 15 days to recover. And yeah, still he is recovering. Whereas I can't meet my husband from past 20 days. It's been 20 days right now. He will be fly back again. And my visa, I didn't got my visa yet. I don't know when I will travel. But hope all this situation will end up soon, because we can't see people suffering like this. And I would like to say, like, nobody will be saying like, yeah, I want to get corona like that. If you get, don't be panic, be calm, just handle the situation, just enjoy your own company, stay safe, take care of you and your family, because it's so important. It's so important now. This corona is becoming dramatically disorder. And viewers who are watching my video, and people who got COVID positive, and how many days it took you to recover, just comment me on my inbox such that I'll get to know how many days it took to you to get recovered. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.